Arctic Ocean. So these are the 4 different kinds of oceans you do have, but probably here you will be finding out 5 different names in this particular. I'm not able to see the chat. I don't know. Anyway. So you do have the different oceans. So obviously, at the very first, you will be asking yourself a question that what is an ocean? So already you have gone through that. The earth is being divided into 2 things. Most of the part, or more than half of it, is water, and around 30% is land, and that land is being divided into 7 different regions called continents, whereas the more than 70% region acquired by water is also divided into different subsections, which are called oceans. So ocean is a very large area of salt water mostly. So most of the earth is covered in the ocean, and that's what we can consider. So you will be having these 5 different words, or these 5 different oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Right. So about Antarctic Ocean, I have just because it has some relevance. So for that purpose, we can consider these. The 4th one, in that would is called Antarctic Ocean. So one by one, we can see each of these. Now, very first one is the Pacific Ocean. So if you consider the Pacific, what is meaning of the Pacific? So you have now others will be having their names from their you can consider from their continent, or by a sort of name of country, right? But as far as Pacific is concerned, so Pacific is calm or peaceful, right? समुद्र असा कुठं शांत किंवा peaceful असू शकतो का, right? But anyway, you can consider Pacific. So meaning of Pacific is calm or peaceful. It's a biggest ocean in the world, right? So as I already said, according to size, we can consider. So the Pacific Ocean is the biggest among the main 4 oceans of the world. So it has the area of 1,662 lakh square kilometer. You can just consider 1,662, right? Around 1,500, right? So lakh square kilometer, that could be the area you do have, and that is why is the largest ocean of the world. It is not only the largest ocean, but also it is the deepest ocean of the world as well. So its depth is around 4,280 meter. So you can consider around 4.2 kilometers deep. 4.2 kilometers deep. Fine. So surviving below 7-8 meters of water, sometimes we feel difficult. And here, if you consider this much deepened part, which is 4,800 meters, 4,280 meters. Now, if you consider the its richness, right, or to which continents it is from, to Asia to Australia. Right? So it reaches from America to Asia to Australia. So that much bigger one you can have. This is surrounded by a line of volcanoes, which you can know as the Ring of Fire. So, or I think what you can consider, the islands of this ocean are of volcanic or of coral origin as well, you may have. Fine. So Pacific Ocean is surrounded by the volcanoes. And what these volcanoes? So islands of this ocean are called volcanoes. It can be also called as coral origin, and that's why it is called Ring of Fire. It is also home to the Great Barrier Reef. Right. Great Barrier Reef. Now, I think yesterday also this particular word has been there, right? So, if you consider, right, now, if you try to see out at the base, म्हणजे काय असतंय आता ग्रेट बॅरियर रिफ, याचा अर्थ आपण काय घेणार, ते समुद्राला पृष्ठभाग आहे, बरोबर. सो त्याच्या खाली जो खडकाचा जो भाग आहे, त्याच्या खाली त्याच्यावर असलेली वनस्पतींची एक लांब लचक रांग असू शकते. So that is called reef, and that's what Great Barrier Reef, right, which is the largest coral reef in the world. Keep in mind. Right. So if you consider its structure, then you will come across this particular point, right? So that is what you do have as far as Pacific Ocean is concerned. Fine. Now, the next one is Atlantic Ocean. So it reaches from North and South America to Europe and Africa. Right. So herein you can see the its structure or its origin. Right. That will give you idea. So whenever whenever I say it reaches from North and South America to Africa, as well as some part of here, some part of Europe. So you can consider this particular ocean called Atlantic Ocean. Fine. So this ocean, according to Encyclopedia Britannica, its area is 824 lakh square kilometers. If you consider it with the Pacific Ocean, so it is half of that. It was 1600 something, right? 1662 lakh square meter. So here it is 824 lakh square meter. So that much area of Atlantic Ocean is there. And because of this, you can put it as second largest ocean in the world. This is about its, let's say, spreading, What about its depth? As the Pacific Ocean is 4,280 meters deep, so the depth of Atlantic Ocean is 3,300 meters. Again, somewhere nearby the depth of Pacific Ocean. So 4 kilometers or 4.2 kilometers and 3.3 kilometers deep. The deep are these oceans. Its name is derived from Atlas. In Atlas, a titan in the Greek mythology that is called giant. Right? So its name is derived from the Atlas. This particular ocean, uh, which is a body of salt water, covers 1/5 of the Earth's surface, which has longest coastline. So as far as coastline is concerned, Atlantic Ocean is having the longest coastline. So that is again the point you can keep in mind. This particular ocean is busiest ocean for the purpose of trading and commerce, as as the shipping routes connect two most industrialized regions, which are that one is the Europe, particularly western part of Europe, and the United States of America. So Northeast USA and Western Europe are having great connectivity through ships. And because of that, it is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. So you can again consider its utility for the purpose of commerce and trade. This ocean was formed millions of years ago when a rift opened in the Gondwana, and the continents of South America and Africa separated. So if you consider why I'm talking this, because it is believed that this particular ocean is still widening. Right. So day by day, it is widening its structure. Day by day, it is increasing its existence. So that is what you can even today consider. The separation of these two is continue, and Atlantic Ocean is still widening. Now, in this ocean, there are different islands called the continental islands of Newfoundland and British Isles. So these are the major islands of this particular ocean. Further, if you consider the volcanic islands, which are fewer, and they include those called Cuba, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Iceland. So among these, the Iceland is the largest island of volcanic origin. So upon Jamaica, Cuba, Puerto Rico, Hiji, Navaikto. So these are the volcanic islands which are of this particular ocean. So that is what you do have in the Atlantic Ocean. Later on, you will come across Indian Ocean. So again, you can consider its origin. You can consider its structure, right? How much it is spread. Though it is spread and though it looks slightly bigger than whatever shown in the earlier slide, that is of about the Atlantic. But still, its area is less. So it is around 734 lakh kilometers in comparison with 824 lakh square kilometers. It is obviously small, and therefore it is the third as far as size is concerned that you can consider. It is named after the country, obviously, of our country. It is named after the country called India. It is the only ocean which is named after a country. Otherwise, you can consider the other oceans which are having the names either by continent or you can consider something like that. Its depth is now it is greater in the depth than the Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean was 3,300 meter deep, whereas Indian Ocean is 3,900 deep. So in deep depth, as far as depth is concerned, this particular ocean is greater. It is deeper than the Atlantic, you can consider. Then this ocean is home to many endangered sea creatures, which includes turtles, seals, and dugongs, right, which can also known as sea cows, right? So you can further have these things. So here the turtle is shown, right? So as far as dugong is concerned, you can consider a kind of cow. Only difference is that it is of sea cow, right? So that is you do have. Now it contains numerous continental islands. You know, Madagascar and Sri Lanka are the largest islands of this particular ocean you can consider. Some of the islands of volcanic origin are Mauritius, Andaman Nicobar, Seychelles, Maldives, Lakshadweep. So these are some of the islands which are of coral origin of this particular ocean. And then further, this is being studied as a part called South Indian Ocean. So why I'm talking to you about this one, because as far as South Indian Ocean is concerned, you will be one more time coming across this particular point, because there will be the point called currents, basically ocean currents, that further get divided into two categories called cold currents and warm currents or hot currents. And again, these are further divided into so many different parts, right, that we will see. But as it is associated with this particular ocean, so you should consider that as far as the South Indian Ocean is concerned, or the terminology called South Indian Ocean, that you will be having. Fine. Now, next one is Antarctic Ocean. As far as this particular part is concerned, so you can here you do have already Atlantic Ocean, इकडे तुमच्याकडे Indian Ocean आहे, and obviously इकडे तुमच्याकडे Pacific Ocean आहे, right? इकडे पण इकडे सुद्धा Pacific Ocean आहे. But in between this there is इथे कुठेतरी खाली, right, जर समजा तुम्ही इथे दिसतेच आहे, नॉर्थ अमेरिका पकडली, साऊथ अमेरिका पकडली, नॉर्थ अमेरिका पकडली, इकडे युरोप पकडला, इथे आफ्रिका पकडला, तर इथे तुम्हाला कुठेतरी व्हॉट अंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट आहे. सो surrounding it you will be having a kind of ocean, and that is surrounding it obviously इकडनं अटलांटिक ओशन आहे, इकडनं पॅसिफिक ओशन आहे, इकडनं इंडियन ओशन आहे. So to make it convenient you can have this particular part, right, and which is called as Antarctic Ocean. So this is known as the Antarctic Ocean as it surrounds Antarctica. So here you can see it is surrounding the Antarctica, and therefore it is called the Antarctic Ocean. And one more point, right, that I wanted to highlight, that as already we consider that this is the coldest continent you can have, fine, and that is the reason why we don't have we don't have the fixed residence of this particular continent because of its atmosphere. That is it is the coldest one. As like that, it is the coldest and wildest ocean in the world. So wildest, how it can be wildest? So these are the things which you can consider. Because of them, it becomes wildest. So Southern Ocean, the ocean surrounded by the Antarctica continent is termed as the Antarctic Ocean, right? As such, नाही कन्सिडर केला तरी चालतो, सिम्पली सरळ सरळ पॅसिफिक, अटलांटिक, इंडियन आणि आर्क्टिक असं समजलं तरी it is acceptable. But since already you have considered Antarctica continent, so you can consider this particular region as well. Fine. Now the last ocean, that is called Arctic Ocean, right? So where it is, can you identify? So this part is of Europe, this part is of okay. So Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean in the world, obviously if you consider its region, then you will be finding out. But still, how much is the area it is acquiring? So 140 lakh square kilometer area is there for this particular ocean. So the Arctic Ocean is having around 140 lakh square kilometer area, and because of that it is the smallest of all the oceans you can consider. 1600, 800, 734, and here it will be 140. So by the surface acquired by these, you can place all these four into this in this way. Fine. That is what you can consider in this one. So it lies within, because of that it is called as the Arctic Ocean. So if you consider the North Pole of the Earth, which lies in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, so that is what you do have in this one. That is what I can call it as. It is surrounded by, or it surrounds the Arctic. Often the Arctic Ocean is completely covered in ice. It is oftenly covered in the ice. So most of the parts of this particular ocean remain frozen with very thick ice for most of the days in a year, right? And that is for every year, right? So बर्फ असलेला समुद्र अशी याची ओळख आपण करू शकतो. Now if you consider it is, which is a shallowest of all is depth of only 87 meters. Right. सगळ्यात कमी एरिया असलेला, सरफेस एरिया असलेला, सगळ्यात कमी उंची असलेला, you can find out or you can come across, that is the Arctic Ocean. Right. It has least salinity of all the oceans, and you can consider. So the polar bears live on the ice which covers the ocean and can swim in the water. So you do have these particular animals. Right? So this is what you have about the Arctic Ocean. Now see, after going through all these oceans, you might be having a question that why we need to study the oceans. समजू शकतो की कॉन्टिनेंट स्टडी करणं समजू शकतो, कारण ठीक आहे की आपण कुठेतरी राहतो किंवा आपल्यासारखे कोणीतरी तिथे राहतात. Why there is need or the requirement to study the oceans, and that's what we can call the importance of oceans. So you can see these things under the oceans. Yes, it is possible, right? So already I have said that it is possible with the Pacific Ocean, wherein you do have such kinds of great reef. So why it is important? So already we know that oceans make more than 70% of Earth's surface, or more than 70% of Earth's surface is acquired by water, which form the oceans. So what altogether these oceans? So obviously they are also supporting the life, no doubt. Yes, they are supporting. There are over 7 lakh different species of animal that live in the ocean. So it is important to protect the oceans to make sure the habitats would be safe. So whatever may be, more than these 7 lakh different species are there that must be protected, right? And it must be ensured by the ocean, right? So the oceans should make sure that these habitats should be the safe or are safe. The ocean is also full of tiny plants which help to produce oxygen, which we need to breathe. असं नाही की जमिनीवरची झाडच फक्त ऑक्सिजन देतात, बरोबर आहे. आपल्याला हे माहिती आहे की वॉटर इज ऑल्सो कंटेनिंग द ऑक्सिजन. सो oceans are giving some tiny plants which help to produce oxygen, which we need for our survival. So on top of this, oceans also provide food for many creatures, even for humans as well, right? आपण खातो ना, आपण बरेचसे जलचर खातो. So oceans are also the producers of different